Hello traders, Des here with Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, October 3rd, 2013. Let's get after it. U.S. government still in its partial shutdown. You don't have anybody agreeing with each other than the Senate and the White House. Obama administration and Senate work together, however, Congress not, and they cannot get their acts together. Anyway, market's down. You have the S&P down 0.9%. Same for the Dow. Nasdaq down more than 1%. The same for the Russells. So pretty significant drop today. Banks only down about 0.5%, but the VIX volatility index, the fear indicator, up 6.5% over 17.5. Gold up a fraction, silver at break even, crude oil down 0.75%, with the dollar down a fraction. And what's interesting is the defensive sector, utilities, is down 1.21%. Pretty good drop here in transportation also. Here we are looking at the S&P daily. And yesterday, well, the last couple days, let's zoom in here. We had this big rally. We start pulling back. We had this higher high there, so promised of a nice bounce. However, short-lived, dropped. Here, nice little bounce. I entered some longs here. Yesterday, set through the drop and rally, thinking that this rally back up would give us a nice pop off of this 20-day moving average. However, today went through a 1% drop. We're still within the uptrend trend lines, so I'm okay with that, but it is a rising wedge, so that is not lost with me. We did come down, find a little support, the 50-day moving average, but we did close below it. More importantly, we have a trend line here coming across. That's a big trend line. It's gray, so it's a little harder to see. I want you to see how far back it goes. Here, goes higher, here, and it comes across. Let's blow this back up so we can see it, and that's where we're at right here. I'd like to see some support in this area and to see a rally higher, but it could go down to this lower trend line where there would be a lot of support, the 100-day moving average, and get a pop. And it would behoove us to look at the weekly chart. What you'll see here is we had resistance and then resistance. So we have this M for murder, but that's only confirmed if this lower trend line gets broken. Now the textbooks will tell you this swing low needs to be broken before it's confirmed, and I adamantly disagree with that as a technician for 15 years. And if we come down here, I expect to find a little support. And if you have a flat top and a rising lower trend line, the question is, within these two trend lines in this pattern, what type of pattern do we have? So it's a pop quiz. I want you to list that down below in the comments box. What type of pattern do we have? If you wonder what it is and you'd like to be educated on it, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chart school. Chart school will give you the answer. If you don't need the answer, if you'd just like to take a stab at it, just feel free to put it down there. Anyway, let's take a look at gold. Gold on the daily, we filled this gap. The gap is filled. We're at resistance. This could be a shorting opportunity right now for gold. Silver, we're up here at a resistance area. Again, doji could be a shorting opportunity on any downward motion. And a lot of you guys like me to do text. So here's Google. Google had this open, big pop, and then a significant sell-off. I bet we're at a support area down here. Maybe find a little more weakness and maybe get a bounce. Apple was off by 1.26%, staying above major moving averages, but we have a bearish engulfing pattern. And Facebook off by more than 2%. Kind of a nasty drop. We do have a little support coming up, but we were building a high base. Any trade above 5160 would be something we'd be looking at. Microsoft off by not much. It broke out, has a doji above all major moving averages. Chances are this trend line should act as support. May pull back a little bit before it rallies. So you get the very best of tactical analysis right here. We give you it all on our bear list. Let me see what our big loser was. RAX on our bear list was our big loser. Double top trend reversal pattern. Big drop on volume, down more than 5.4%. So on our bull list, our big winner today was away, AWAY. Drop, drop, drop. It's our bull list. Boom. Buyers have come into it. If you'd like all 50 on our bull list, on all 50 on our bear list, and like to start trading alongside us, feel free to do so at the Stock Picks V newsletter. Love to have you. Catch you later. Share us with a friend.